Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about types of sleep. So, what is the sleep definition? Sleep is a state of rest accompanied by the altered level of consciousness. Sleep is defined as a state of. It is defined as a state of rest. State of rest accompanied by altered level of consciousness. Altered level of consciousness. Altered level of consciousness is known as sleep. So the sleep is a state of rest accompanied by the altered level of consciousness. So the sleep is a different types of sleep are different stages are there. So sleep is divided into mainly two types. The sleep is divided into mainly two types. The sleep is divided into totally two types. One is the NREM, and second one is the REM. NREM, REM. So what is the NREM? Non-rapid eye movement sleep. Non-rapid eye movement. Non-rapid eye movement. This one is a rapid eye movement. Non-rapid eye movement, rapid eye movement. So the non-rapid eye movement, it is having the different stages. It is a non-rapid eye movement, they are the different stages. So first one is stage 1. Stage 1. So now we discuss about the stage 1. So what is the stage 1? What is the stage 2? What is the stage 3? What is the stage 4? So the stage 1 is the first stage of the sleep. It one is the stage 1 is the first stage of sleep. It one is the first stage of sleep. And the next one, stage lasts a few minutes. It is a first stage of sleep. And the next one, stage lasts a few minutes. Only few minutes. And include the lightest level of sleep. It includes the lightest level of sleep. Lightest level of sleep. It includes the lightest level of sleep. And the next one is a gradually fall in vital signs. Gradually fall in vital signs. Gradually fall in vital signs and metabolism. Gradually fall in vital signs and metabolism. And the next one, generally slowing of EEG frequency. It is a generally slow of EEG sequence. EEG abbreviation is a electroencephalogram. The electroencephalogram is a slow in the stage 1. So the electroencephalogram is identify the electron signals in the movement in the brain and as well as the sleep. So they identified the electroencephalogram. And the next one, eyes tend to roll slowly from the side to the side. So the next one point is so slow EEG and as well as the eyes tend to roll slowly from side to side. And the next one, sensory stimuli such as noise easily arouse the person and sleeper may deny he is sleeping. So this is the importance of the stage 1. Stage 1 is the first stage of the sleep and it is occurred in a few minutes only. Lighter level of the sleep and gradually fall in vital symptoms. And the next one, the metabolism and slow of the EEG is a very important in this stage 1 and eyes roll slowly side to side. The next one, stage 2. In the second stage, at the second stage is the stage lasts to 10 to 20 minutes. It one is stage lasts to 10 to 20 minutes. It one is the first stage only few minutes, either 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, up to 5 minutes only. But the second stage is the 10 to 20 minutes, and its period from it is a period of the sound sleep. It is a period of sound sleep. Period of sound sleep and relaxation progress occurs here. relaxation progress occur here. And further slowing of a EEG, here also slowing of a EEG, slowing of electroencephalogram, but absent of the eyeball movement, absent of the eyeball movement, absent of the eyeball movement. But here eyes are the roll slowly side to side, but here there is no chance for the rolling, but absent of the eye movement. The next one is the body function continue to slow, body function continue to slowly, body function continue to slowly. So this is the about stage 2 and stage 3. And stage 3, the stage 3 is the last from 15 to 30 minutes time, 15 to 30 minutes time. The stage 1 is a few minutes, stage 2 is the 10 to 20 minutes, but stage 3 is the 15 to 30 minutes. It involves the initial stage of the deep sleep. It is the initial stage of starts of the deep sleep from the third stage. Initial stage of deep sleep. Initial stage of deep sleep, and muscle are completely relaxed here. Muscle are completely relaxation. Here only relaxation starts. Just relaxation starts from begin from the second stage, and but is a complete muscle relaxation. Complete muscle relaxation occur here, and here a large slow waves in the EEG, slow waves in the EEG, electroencephalogram, a large slow waves are occurred in the EEG. And the next one is vital signs decline but remaining is the regular. Vital signs is and visual signs means visual signs is a completely visual signs completely decline means decrease, but remaining part is a regular. So the next one is a fourth stage number 4. So what is the stage number 4? The stage number 4 is the last approximately 15 to 30 minutes time occur here. 15 to 30 minutes last from the approximately 15 to 30 minutes occurs here. It is the deepest stage of the sleep. It is a deepest stage of sleep in the only NREM only, non-rapid eye movement. In the non-rapid eye movement, deepest stage is the fourth stage. And the next one is a sleep loss occurred here. Completely sleep loss occurred here. And the next one, visual signs are significantly lower than during the waking hours. So the next one here, the vital signs are significantly lower than the during waking hours. Vital signs are the significantly lower than the during waking hours. So further slowing of the EEG also here, further very slow of the EEG compared than the stage 3. And the next one, sleepwalking sometimes occurs here. In the fourth stage, sleepwalking occur in the fourth stage. And this is about 4 stages of the NREM. Non-rapid eye movement is having the 4 stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. The next one we discuss about the REM. REM means rapid eye movement. The rapid eye movement is a stage that usually begins about 30 minutes after sleep has begun. So means after completion of the 4 stages and begin the REM and about 90 minutes after the sleep. In before 90 minutes during these 4 stages, then after 90 minutes start the REM. So in this stage dreaming occur in the stage. Dreaming occur in this stage. And the next one stage is the rapidly moving of the eyes. moving of the eyes, rapidly moving of the eyes, and fluctuating heart and respiratory rates, fluctuating heart and respiratory rate, and respiratory rate, heart and respiratory rate, and increase the BP in this stage, increase the BP, blood pressure, and loss of the skeletal muscle tone, loss of muscle tone, and as well as the increase of gastric secretion, increase of gastric secretion. So then increase of gastric secretion. The next one, the EEG pattern at they very difficult to EEG pattern is a very difficult compare than the EEG pattern is a resemble that of a awake state. The EEG is the which state? Awake state. And the next one, what is the sleep cycle? So it one is the sleeping part is the first entering into the NREM, completion of the 4 parts, and then after entering into the REM, the REM again converted to the NREM. So this is the one cycle part. So the cycle part is what is the cyclic of the sleep. So first one is the NREM. The NREM is the first stage. The first stage is converted to the in NREM second stage number 2. The second stage is converted to stage number 3, and stage number 3 is converted to stage number 4. The stage number 4 is converted to the again stage number 3, and the stage number 3 is converted to the stage number 2. The stage number is converted to the REM sleep. The REM sleep is again converted to the stage number 2. This is the cyclic part of the sleep. So NREM converted to stage 1, 2, 3, 4, again converted to the 3 to REM again converted to the second stage of the EEG. So second stage of the NREM. This is the cyclic part of the sleep. So what is the importance of what is the functions of the sleep? So it was the conversion of energy. What is the functions? It is the conversion of energy, and the next one, tissue and growing of the tissue, and the next one, regulation of the emotions, and the next one, emotion like a anxiety, and the next one, irritability, and etc. So this is the functions of the sleep. So if you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss.